That's about 250 bucks. This is about, I think, like $15, $16. Hey, this is Coach Bill 305, and we got a new product that just came in, so we are gonna take a look at it right now. All right, let's see what we got here. Now, if you're not familiar, let's see, tear open here. If you're not familiar with the channel, basically what I do each week, I review at least 2 items, and I like to kind of give like a full detail on each thing. And let's see what we got here. So I'm actually not sure what this thing is, but let's take a look at it. All right, this says Zomake lightweight packable backpack 30 liter. So let's open this. I'm actually I don't know what this thing is. I had a company send this out to me, and I said I would go ahead and look at it and review it. So this is it. It looks really small, very compactable. I don't know if this is going to be meant for backpacking or not, but let's just open this thing up. So this is Zomake Joy of Life, and I'm already going to say that this is probably more directed towards those hiking trips instead of a backpacking trip. This is that type of bag right here. Just by looking at it, I added some gear in here just so you could actually see what it looks like having it be kind of full. And it has a couple pockets in here. You know, you can put your protein bars or your medical kit, your headlight in these pockets. But what I do like about this is this other pocket. So this actually divides everything up very nice. And you can see I have my tent in here. So you can take your tent out and look how much space you actually get in here. So that's a kind of a cool little feature that it separates everything that well in here. So I'm gonna place this back in here, and then I'm gonna open up the main pocket. You just unzip the side over here, and I have my other hammock gear, just more equipment in here. But this is another big pocket for a nice divider. And it does come with this, and maybe a small laptop could fit in here. I'm not quite sure. I was thinking that maybe you could have some like water in here, like a little water reservoir or a Camelback. But I don't see a hole where like your tube would actually go through. So I'm not quite sure what this is used for. Maybe it's just used for just a divider or keeping papers or a laptop. But some of the things that I do like about it, and again, this is me just looking at it right in the beginning, it has these pockets for water bottles on both sides, and a feature that I think more backpacks would have is this whistle. So when you're out there hiking, if you're in trouble, you can actually blow on this whistle, and it acts as a clip too to actually go across your body. Now I do want to go over some of the specs on this. I want to take a weight on this, and I also want to look at the price on this. So this thing actually packs up pretty easy. So it packs up within itself, and I just looked it up online. This actually goes for about 15 bucks. So it's quite a steal. I mean, $15 for a lightweight pack. And let's take a weight on it. I'm very curious about all these different stats. And this weighs 13.09 ounces, and what it weighs in pounds, 0.18 pounds. So this is what the pack looks like on me, and this is a 30 liter, and I just want to have you like be able to compare it to something. This is my Z-Pack's 38 liter, and that's about 250 bucks. This is about, I think, like $15, $16, and they're similar in weight, and I mean, there's a lot of features on this thing that makes this $250. It's waterproof and stuff, but this isn't bad. I mean, for just like a hiking pack, and you got this whistle. Oh man, that's pretty loud. It has straps to tighten it down, but I don't think this is going to be able to hold a lot of weight. So I probably wouldn't go anything over like 10 pounds in this pack right here, because then you're going to start getting a lot of pressure up on here. but it does pack down very light. But again, this is Coach Bill 315, and we are just checking out some new gear. That's what we do each and every single week. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, but we like to discuss it anyways. So this is Coach Bill 315, and we are out of here.
Yeah, buddy. You're cool. It's you make backpack. 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 You make backpack.